how to change cash tag and personal info on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your cash tag and personal information. In order to change your cash tag on your Cash App account, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to begin with, open up your Cash App application and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. Right on top, click on the profile icon. As soon as you click on profile icon, you'll be taken to the profile page. Over here, go to personal. As you click on personal, you'll be able to see all of your information, such as the phone number that is registered to your Cash App, the email address, your address, and all that information. So what you need to do is, in order to change your cash tag, right on top you'll be able to find cash tag, and underneath you'll be able to see your username. Tap on it and then erase the present cash tag and type in the new one. After that, make changes. After you're done making changes, click on the save button right on top, and if the name is suitable or acceptable in Cash App, then it will be automatically added. So that is how you can change your cash tag and personal info on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.